Guys, it's your girl Saba. Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all, I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic turkey deli sandwich, but with a twist, because instead of using a bun or Wonder Bread, we are going to be making it chaffle style. Oh yes, guys, we're making a chaffle sandwich. I love chaffles, and apparently you do too, so grab those waffle makers and let's get started. If you haven't already subscribed, click that red subscription button below and join the tribe. And if you know someone who loves chaffles or turkey sandwiches, don't forget to share this video with them and like this video too. Alright guys, so let's get into the recipe. I'm excited because I have my waffle maker and I love all things kitchen gadgets, okay? So this is my jam. So I'm going to preheat my waffle maker first because you want to make sure it's nice and hot and the heat is evenly distributed between the plates. I have a Belgian waffle, double-sided waffle maker, so I get to make 2 at a time. But if you don't have that, that's fine, because I believe in working with what you got. So if you have those like little mini ones, use those as well. Just be mindful of the measurements. I will have more information about measurements and what I use for this recipe on my website, savoringwithsaba.com. We're going to start with our batter, and if you don't know what chaffles are basically waffles primarily made out of cheese. So cheese waffles equals chaffles. Isn't that cute? That's really cute, right? So we're going to start off with, of course, the star of the recipe, our mozzarella cheese. Add the eggs, almond flour, and baking powder. I'm almost done with the batter, but I have a last minute addition. I think I'm going to add some psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is really good at keeping the batter from getting crumbly when it's heating and baking in the waffle maker. So I'm going to add a little bit. If you don't have psyllium husk, it's fine. Your chaffles are still going to be amazing. So don't feel like you can't miss this step, or you can't even try this recipe because you don't have this ingredient. Let me do a little more of a mix. I think this is good. I'm so excited. I did chaffles, the pizza chaffles. You may have remembered that video where y'all loved it, and it was so easy to make pizza chaffle style. I will link that video up above, and I will also put it in the description box below so you can check that out after this video. And if you want to see more chaffle recipes, go ahead and like this video, show some love, and drop a comment down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to click that red subscription button. Okay, so we're done. We're done with the batter. The batter's super simple, right? Only a handful of ingredients. And now we're going to transfer the batter into our waffle makers. My waffle maker lets me know that it's done preheating when the light turns green on these sides. So that's good. We're ready to go. I have my ghee oil spray. I love to spray this down. Think of it as like Pam cooking spray, but better. So, I don't know if you guys caught the steam. Just gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna grab as much as I can. Ooh, do you hear the sizzle? I sure do. So we're just gonna fill it. You want to be careful though. Don't fill it too much or else the plates won't close. Trust me, I've been there, so I'm trying to help you out. And also, you don't want it to get like a little unmanageable or else it's going to start spilling out from the sides of your plates. Again, I've also been there. So I'm just trying to help you out too. This is looking good. And I'm telling y'all, this is what food does to me. I get so goofy. So, flipping it over, spray it down. I'm trying to scoop up as much as I can. I'm not going to lie, this second one is going to be a little skimpy. But that's okay. You know, like, it is what it is. It's still going to be good. It's still going to be delicious. Just, you know, a little bit of a struggle going on with this one. It didn't really cover all the plates. I knew I should have taken some more out from the first one. But you know what? We're going to make it do what it do. And it is what it is. Okay? And now it's going to cook. The waffle maker started beeping, so that means it's ready. I have one light on right here so I can flip it over. Ooh, y'all, I can smell the cheese. It looks so good. Oh, I will say this. Depending on how long you put your chaffles in the waffle maker or your preference, the batter will turn a different color. So sometimes if you leave it in a little longer, it's gonna be a little more golden or brown. If you leave it in for a shorter amount of time, the chaffle will be a little lighter in color. I don't like mine too crispy, so I didn't leave it on for too long. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot. Burn my little hands off, but let me just show you how perfect this is. Look. Y'all. Okay, y'all. Now this was the struggle one. This is the one where we didn't have enough of the batter. I put too much on the top batter and not enough on the in the second plate. But you know what? It's still pretty too. Look. See? It's so pretty. Now it's time to add all the fixings to the sandwich. Guys, look how colossal this is. Amazing, right? Just get my good old knife, okay, and cut through this. Look at this, y'all. Stop it. Y'all. This right here, so good. Just the right amount of crunch. This is beyond words. And I have a special sauce combination, Chick-fil-A sauce with Chipotle mayo. Yo, this is a 10. 10 out of 10. It's the perfect sandwich. This is an experience that everyone needs to try. Go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions. If you haven't already subscribed, click that red subscription button below. Join the tribe. If you like this video, if you want to see more chaffle recipes like this video, drop a comment down below and show some love. And if you know someone who should try this recipe or loves chaffles as much as I do, share this with others. Guys, it's been real, it's been fun, but I'm about to eat the rest of this lunch. And happy savoring, and I'll see you in the next video.